In a previous video, we put a jet engine on a car and it jumped over 8 buses. So this time we put 10 jet engines on the car and we're gonna see if it flies 10 times further.
When this car flies off this ramp, I think it's gonna go past all the buses into the trees.
I think it's gonna hit the first bus.
3, 2, 1, send the jet car!
The car is coming straight at us.
I lost signal.
Maybe we should jump?
Oh my God! Yeah!
I think it was a success.
Yes.
The jet car easily cleared all 12 buses and literally left a crater in the road.
I love how this block of engines just on the road.
Yeah, it's still smoking.
Whoa!
Oh, it's leaking.